Hi, and welcome to another Tools on Tuesday with Karl. Today we're going to be talking about comparing different samples using MarkerView. Now, we might find ourselves in a position where we have a group of samples that we want to compare to another group of samples. And we might want to answer a question like, are these the same thing? Or what makes these two sample sets different? And to do that, we're going to need a tool. In this case, we're going to use MarkerView. And what MarkerView allows us to do are things like t-tests, and this is a good way to compare two different sample groups. And when we do our t-test, we end up with a volcano plot. And a volcano plot is a really easy way to visualize what compounds make my sample similar versus what compounds make my sample dissimilar. And if we take a look and zoom in on the compounds that make my samples dissimilar, we can create something called a feature list. So here we have all the features that make this sample dissimilar, and if we click on a specific one, we can take a look at box plots that tell us, hey, if we zoom in, this feature is much higher in my apple versus my tomato, making these samples different. Thanks again for joining me on another Tools on Tuesday.